What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today I am about to open these 5 coin rolls, and let's see if we can get anything good. All right, let's get into it. Okay, guys, just finished the first couple rolls, and I found this 1980 copper cent with a little bit of toning at the bottom. And then I also found this 1945 wheat cent. So yeah, guys, let's keep on looking. Okay, guys, so I actually found another 1945 wheat cent, and then I found this right here, a 1951 wheat cent. All right, so I got one more roll, and then let's see what we can find. Okay, guys, so I went through the last coin roll, and check this out right here. There's some kind of like dent at the bottom of this coin. It's a 1986. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has some kind of like bulge at the bottom. And I'm trying to see if this is, damage or if this is a mint error. But check out the back of the coin. And you guys see that at the top? That was the bottom of the obverse. Now this is the reverse. Look where it says states. It's like smushed in. And this is pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and put this in like a coin holder until I can get more info on it to see if, someone possibly knows if this is damage or actual mint error. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's do a recap now. All right, guys, so here are our finds for this coin hunt. And we'll start left to right. 1980 copper with some toning at the bottom. 1945 wheat cent, another 1945 wheat cent, 1951 wheat cent, and an error coin, 1986. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.